In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Framer. Typography sets the tone for your entire design, and Framer makes it straightforward to change fonts in a way that's consistent and easy to maintain. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each action does, and share a few practical tips along the way. First, head over to Framer and open the project you're working on. Once your canvas is visible, make sure you're in the editor view where you can select elements on the page. You can change fonts on any text element, whether it's a headline, a paragraph, or a button label. Next, click on the text you want to edit. You can do this directly on the canvas or by selecting it from the Layers panel. When it's selected, you'll see its properties in the right-hand panel. If this text uses a shared style, that style name will be visible, which is helpful if you want your change to apply consistently across your project. Now open the Styles drop-down box in the Properties panel. This drop-down shows the text style currently applied to the selected element. It's the hub for managing typography in a structured way, so you don't have to manually tweak every instance of the same text across your pages. From that drop-down, click Edit on the current style. This is an important step. Editing the current style updates every element that uses it, keeping your typography consistent throughout the project. If you're aiming for a global, brand-wide font change, this is exactly what you want. Keep in mind that this updates all instances tied to that style, which can save time and help avoid mismatched fonts. With the style editor open, select the font you want to change. You'll see a font field and a selector where you can search by name, browse available families, and quickly preview how each font looks on your selected text. As you choose a font, Framer updates the canvas in real time so you can judge legibility, tone, and spacing immediately. Pick the weights you intend to use to maintain consistent visual rhythm, and make sure the chosen font supports the characters your content needs. If you're switching to a markedly different style, say from a geometric sans to a serif, take a quick look at size, line height, and tracking in the same editor so your new font feels balanced without altering the steps you've taken. That's it. By opening your project, selecting your text, using the styles dropdown, editing the current style, and choosing a new font, you've updated your typography the smart, scalable way in Framer.